Meet Alex. Alex had a dream to open the trendiest smoothie bar in town, right? Not just any smoothie bar. This one would feature exotic ingredients like dragon fruit, guava, and edible glitter. Because why not, right? With an ambitious idea in his mind, right? Alex decided it was time to secure funding. You know what I mean? Gotta get that cash. But how much funding did Alex actually need? Well, that's where things got interesting. But before we get into the story of Alex and his crazy idea,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My
name is Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the Wealthbuilderz.com, the business website that will have you make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. If you're looking for business funding, go to the Wealthbuilderz.com/business-funding. Okay? Or just click on the first link in the description. You know what I mean? Just go ahead, click the link. Go ahead. It's down there. It's in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Alright, so Alex marched into a bank with a business plan the size of a small notebook. But the dream was big, so Alex asked for a big loan. $500,000 to be exact. The bank, manager or whatever loan manager asked, why do you need $500,000? Right? Like for real, why would you need $500,000? Well, Alex explained, $100,000 for state-of-the-art smoothie making robot, because who needs employees? And $50,000 for glitter importation. Because high quality glitter isn't cheap, my friend, right? And $200,000 to renovate a building into a smoothie palace with custom furniture shaped like fruit. The rest, marketing, inventory, and of course, a neon sign that read, "Sip Happens." The loan officer, trying not to laugh, declined exponentially, right? Declined so fast, right? He said, "Alex, do you really need all this to start your business?" Know what I mean? So Alex felt some type of way, but determined not to give up, Alex went the other way. Okay, fine, Alex thought. I'll start small. With just $5,000 scraped together from savings, Alex launched the business. Except this time, the blender was a bargain basement model that overheated every hour. There was no budget for branding, so the shop opened with a hand-drawn sign that says "Smoothies Are Us." The ingredients, let's just say frozen bananas and canned pineapple, didn't scream exotic exactly, right? Customers came once, but few returned. Reviews called it mid at best, right? Now, Alex realized the mistake, right? Starting too small meant cutting corners, and it showed. After 2 misfires, Alex decided to do things differently. This time, started with the question: what do I actually need to make this business work? It's the same question you should ask yourself, right? But Alex sat down and broke the dream into phases. So, before we get into the phases, because you really need to hear that part, remember, if you're looking for funding for your business, check out the Wealthbuilderz.com/business-funding. That's the Wealthbuilderz.com/business-funding. The link is in the description. We offer a program that has next day funding up to $25,000, and you only need a 500 FICO score and have been in business for at least 4 months. Okay, our application process is easy, no obligation. And with that being said, let's break down the 3 phases of figuring out how much business funding anyone need. But we're going to talk about Alex. All right, so number 1, phase 1, starting small but strong. A compact, affordable space with enough seating for 10 customers, right? High quality but essential equipment, blenders, refrigerators, mixers, prep tools, things of that nature. Now, you need branding basics, right? A professional logo, website, and social media presence. Inventory for a simple but unique menu featuring 5 signature smoothies. All right. So that estimated cost is around 50 grand, right? Far cry from 500K, right? Now, phase 2, expanding as demand grows. Upgraded equipment as sales increase. Marketing campaigns to attract a large audience. Partnerships with local gyms and yoga studios. Okay? This right there, that's how you get the ball rolling. That's how you get to expand. Now, the projected budget for expansion, 30 to 50 grand to be reinvested from profits. And phase 3, the big vision. The dream smoothie palace could come later, right? Funded by steady revenue and maybe investors down the line. This time, Alex approached funding sources with a clear plan, realistic numbers, and a vision grounded in reality, okay? Sometimes you gotta take the dream and cut it down so it can become a reality, right? You can't just look at the dream and think you're gonna be, have this big, audacious, bodacious type of thing going from the start. You gotta build up to it. So the lesson is how to calculate your business funding needs. See, Alex's journey teaches us an important lesson when it comes to funding. It's all about finding the Goldilocks zone. Here's how you can calculate what you need and what you don't need. Number 1, start with essentials, right? What do you absolutely need to launch your business? Focused on must-haves, not nice-to-haves. Number 2, break it into phases. What can you do now? What can wait until later, right? This approach keeps costs manageable and shows lenders or investors you're serious, okay? Now, number 3, plan for the unexpected, because there's always the unexpected, right? Anything that's going to happen is always going to be unexpected, right? Add a buffer, 10 to 20% for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Number 4, avoid the trap of overfunding. More money isn't always better. Borrowing too much can saddle your business with debt you don't need, okay? So, how did Alex become successful in this situation? Armed with $50,000 in funding, a mix of small business loans and a local grant, Alex opened the smoothie bar. The new shop was small but inviting, the menu was simple but creative, and the neon sign, budget version, still read, "Sip happens." The result? Customers loved it. Sales grew steadily, and within a year, Alex was ready to expand. This time with profits rather than debt. All right, so determining how much funding your business really needs isn't about guessing or dreaming big. It's about planning smart. Whether you're starting a smoothie bar, a tech startup, or a goldfish spa. Hey, we don't judge around here, right? So you ask yourself, what's the minimum I need to start? How can I grow sustainably? What can wait till later, right? Because in business, just like smoothies, balance is everything. And with that being said, click that link in the bio or in the description, whichever you want to call it, and learn how you can get business funding, possibly in the next 24 hours, all right? And you can get anywhere between 5 to 25K within the next 24 hours, just by clicking the link below and put your information in, all right? So thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how much business funding does your business really need. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.